Jobs to be done, a framework for product development. Part 2. Capturing and organizing customer needs. The Jobs to be done framework breaks down customers into the 3 categories: the job executioner, the product lifecycle support team, and the buyer. After that, a company must be able to discover the customer's needs associated with getting that job done. To gain a deep understanding of the customer's jobs to be done, a company needs to develop a deeper understanding of the customer's specific goal or job and the thought process that would lead that customer to actually hire a product to help complete the job. So what are the types of jobs that customers are getting done? The Jobs to be done needs framework helps reveal 5 main types of jobs that the different categories of customers are trying to get done. The job executioner is trying to get 3 distinct jobs done. Number 1. The core functional job is the focal point around which a market is defined and the reason a market exists. Any product's basic goal is to get a core functional job done better and more cheaply than competing solutions. Number 2. Related jobs are additional functional jobs job executors try to get done either before, during, or following the execution of the core job. A company can make its product more valuable by offering solutions that help its customers get multiple jobs done. Number 3. Emotional jobs are statements that describe the way the job executor wants to be perceived or feel when executing the core functional job. Social jobs are included in this categorization. These inputs are valuable when it comes to creating a value proposition that incorporates both functional and emotional components, which strongly connect with customers. The product lifecycle support team also generally tries to execute a number of jobs throughout the product lifecycle, otherwise known as consumption chain jobs. These jobs include product installation, setup, storing, transportation, maintaining, repairing, cleaning, upgrading, and disposing of the product, all impacting the customer experience. Finally, the purchase decision maker executes the purchase decision job using a financial lens to decide which product or service to acquire. Understanding what financial and/or performance metrics or financial desired outcomes are used to make the purchase decision is key. Companies can use a customer-centered innovation map to break down the core functional job into steps. By looking at a market through a jobs to be done lens, you can study customers' core functional job as a process and explore customer needs. This process will also help you understand the desired outcomes or metrics customers use to measure success as they try to get each step in the job done. A desired outcome is a specially constructed need statement that has a unique set of characteristics. Devoid of solutions, they are measurable, controllable, and are tied to the underlying process or job the customer is trying to get done. Desired outcomes are structured for reliable prioritization in a customer survey. All in all, the Jobs to be Done Needs Framework offers a structured guide for navigating the complexity involved in mapping all the needs in a market. It makes innovation more predictable and more profitable by enabling companies to start identifying jobs that customers are struggling to get done. Today, the framework is used by many companies, including Facebook and Twitter, as a core part of their product development process. The best product teams refine their understanding of users and what problems are most important on an ongoing basis, improving intuition along the way. Has your company tried using the Jobs to be Done Needs Framework?